This hidden vegetable tomato sauce is a great option for fussy eaters, and it also helps add variety into plain pasta and pizza dishes. First, prepare the vegetables. Peel and chop 2 onions. Trim and chop 2 leeks and wash them well. Peel and chop 2 sticks of celery and 2 carrots. Slice the courgettes and the peppers. Then peel and slice the butternut squash and crush 2 cloves of garlic. Heat the oil in the pan, then soften the onions, garlic and oregano for about 5 minutes. Add the rest of the vegetables and cook for about 25 minutes with the lid on, stirring often. Alternatively, you can spread the vegetables out on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil and bake in a 200-degree oven for about an hour. When the vegetables are soft, add 2 tins of plum tomatoes, breaking them up with the back of the spoon. Then add 400 ml of water. Simmer for about 25 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. Allow it to cool slightly, then blend. Season with salt and pepper to taste. You can use the sauce as a base for curries, lasagna, bolognese, or anywhere really that calls for tinned tomatoes to add some variety. It works great as a soup, just add stock or water to get your desired consistency. This recipe makes 2 litres and will keep well in the freezer in batches for about 3 months.